Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton. This is my beautiful daughter and co-host, Catmantha Jones Colton, and we're here to talk about Notorious Kings NFT, an NFT all about lions and or a little lioness. You can go have your treats, babe. Anyway, so this is a real fun NFT I just wanted to talk to you about today. But of course, before I talk about this one, let me go ahead and give a friendly disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, purely just a crypto geek who loves to talk about different projects that I'm interested in. So please do keep in mind, don't invest in something just because I talk about it. Please make sure to do your own research to make sure that you feel comfortable in any sort of investment before actually making said investment. And also, you might hear Catmantha crunching on some treats in the background, so I apologize, but I had to bribe her to be a part of that intro. So there's 6,006 unique 3D NFTs launching spring 2022 on OpenSea.io. And you can join the coalition, which actually goes towards their social media. So I was looking through here. They're building their way up. Again, it's a project underway, which I totally think is absolutely fine. Obviously, every project started somewhere, and so they've got 64 members on Discord, but they are growing. Does seem that they're growing pretty well. And in general, I was just kind of thumbing through. They've got, all the announcements. They've got actually really great up-to-date announcements, sneak peeks, FAQs, kind of everything that you'd want to learn about a project before actually investing in it. Definitely go check out their Discord, which is underneath that button. And I will go ahead and show you the rest of their social media while we are at it. So they're actually doing pretty well over here on Twitter with almost 2,000 followers. And Facebook's a little bit smaller, but to be fair, that's Facebook these days. Am I right, friends? Burn Zuck. Anyway, so the Kings are here. The story of Notorious Kings NFT is built upon surrendering the most admiration to the greatest and most savage lion coalition of all time. The wildlife fans, we find all lions fascinating. Supreme dominators impressed with their book topic, life story, we decided to bring their strong vibe back to through NFTs. Like I said, lionesses can participate too. A coalition of exceptional 3D artists put their time and heart into making sure that this project will have the desirable impact. Story goes that once reunited in ethereal territories, the Notorious Lions started planning something greater, and they want to have another chapter written in gold letters for them. You alright? You're fine. Excuse me. With 6,006 total unique 3D digital artworks, Notorious Kings NFT is the first of many projects that the vision includes. So again, they do plan to, confirm those. So they do plan to actually, get more underway in that regard. And this is actually all of their social media, which we did just click through, briefly. And, Notorious Kings, I don't think I actually pulled up the Instagram yet for you, so just so you can see the Instagram, because they're doing pretty well over here as well, and you can see some of the art also. Just wanted to show that to you. Personally, this guy is kind of my favorite. I think that's a really cool guy, and I think that's Conor McGregor's tattoo, I'm pretty sure, but yeah, very cool. Anyway, so Notorious Kings NFT is before anything an astonishing 3D artwork that provides, as you just saw there, provides its users with different experience, something that has never been seen before, that provokes the knowledge artist eye to different challenge. Our artwork's crafted with attention to detail and thoughtfulness. Collectors and connoisseurs will discover. Basically, these are just talking about how the art is really good, and I totally agree with that. But I don't want to waste too much time on that and kind of get onto the info about it. It's a cool video, actually. It just had me enthralled for a second, as you saw. Awesome. Okay, yeah, really great intro video, actually. I was waiting to watch that with all of you guys. Notorious Kings NFT, a high-impact 3D metaverse-ready digital art collection inspired by some of the most powerful stories ever written, not only by humans, but by lions, the first lion avatar 3D NFT project to donate for the lion preservation cause, grant access to a thriving community, and give exclusive perks. And you can join the coalition, as we just saw. So Notorious Kings NFT ultimate goal is to make the coalition immortal. Our admiration, being fans, ultimately led us to engage in the materialization of this goal. And this is just a little bit why to join Discord. I'll just tell you, it's cool over there. I showed you most of why you'd want to, but we're going to actually move on to the info part of this. So you can get whitelisted clicking through here, doing the right thing, early access to our community, enjoy perks, and launch our giveaway. First 1,000 members to join Discord participate in the raffle to win 3 NFT and 15 whitelist spots. And the mint announcement is soon. FAQ, what is Notorious Kings NFT? Notorious Kings NFT is an astonishing 3D project that consists, the FAQ is mostly things that we've gone over already. Let's see, and then we've got the roadmap here as well. So, building the foundation, here we go. Everything starts from choosing in favor of quality and regarding for every step we will undertake in our mission. Our engagement is providing a different experience with Notorious Kings NFT and will be easily identified within the collectible high-impact quality. The community we aim to build around this project is composed by art fans with a pretentious that's why I was so confused. Pretentious eye for something spectacular. In building our community, mediocrity will be the keyword, and there will be over 3,000, over 3,000 whitelist spots and incentives of a total value of 5 Ethereum to reward. Victory loves preparation, and I will say, by the way, Victory absolutely does love preparation. I think that that is just so true to say in any general sense. So since December 2021, April 2022 charge, we move on and conduct a high-quality info campaign in the ultimate scope of bringing answer to all relevant questions. All T's will be crossed, all I's will be dotted, so the arts, the minting, and all other aspects will be finalized. Also, we have prepared 100 Notorious Kings NFT items plus other incentives to indulge our community for the moment and launch. Roar, the Kings are back, time for action. Each art piece will find its owner. Desirable smooth minting process. Once completed, we secure 6 Ethereum, one each for 6 NK owners to be raffled. And also, I will go ahead and say, now that we are talking about launching something very fun they are doing, which I completely should have mentioned at Whitelist, but I will mention now, they are actually giving away some whitelist spots to my subscribers. So I will go ahead and mention, if you are watching this video and actually interested to this point, then you got you're the good one. You got it, because you watched in this far, you now know I am giving away some whitelist spots. They are allowing me to do that, which I thought was really interesting. Just thought it would be really fun. So they are giving away 20 to 30 whitelist spots to my subscribers. Just make sure to comment. Go comment on all their social media, tell them you're a CryptoCoin subscriber, that I sent you, make some comments under here, and I'll also give a little bit more info in the description. But I did want to go ahead and mention that for you. I was gonna mention it a little bit in to give the people who watch the opportunity, but yes, please keep that in mind. The after party, so that's simple enough. We're gonna have to actually speed through these last things a little bit more without reading the whole thing, but yeah, the after party. So once everything is said and done, they're actually going to plan a luxurious safari resort party. That's what they really plan to do. The game, late summer 2022, will bring important assets to the community. So basically, there literally will be a game. One main creator is a chess player with 2,300 plus ELO. So just a lot of cool ideas for a game. And then the ride. The end of the year should sound more like a celebration. That's why we're aiming to offer a sports car to one Notorious King during the gift season. So that's really cool. Then there will be a big drop 2023. The rain in 2023 is the Inspurverse. And the coalition. And this is actually the team. Feel free to click through and check out their social media. This tells you a little bit about them. Collectively, they've got over 50 years of experience in sales, tech, digital marketing, graphic design, and development, united into a coalition pledge and leave their mark on the Web3 space. While this is starting out as a niche sector, the evolution has caught the attention and introduced many new individuals to the world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. We have seen impressive growth in the past few years, and it appears that they have only scratched the surface. As early adopters, we have the opportunity to reach industry leaders, set trends, and influence the future of digital art. And if you're still interested in learning more about this project, my friends, I highly recommend checking out the white paper. It goes over, some of the things that we did talk about, but in quite a good bit of detail, some of the other things that you might be interested about in this project. But my friends, that is Notorious Kings NFT. Definitely a cool project to keep up with. As I said, they're also giving away some whitelist spots, so please keep that in mind if you're interested. But as always, thank you for coming by CryptoCoins. My name's Freddie Colton. I'll see you in the next episode.